guys, it's your girl Chef Angie here, and I'm back with another video for y'all. But wait first, if you're here on my channel for the first time, please do subscribe because I know you're gonna love my content. And if you're here over and over and over again, please, you're obsessed with my content, so just subscribe, okay? Thank you very much. So the reason why my plantain were coming out from a Ziploc bag was because I cut them before and I froze them. So I cut them into dodo sizes, very small, not so big, you know. So I was just trying to show you guys what it looks like. So when that's done, make sure you boil your plantain with the water. Don't boil the water first, then add the plantain. You need your water and your plantain to come to a boil together so it will cook through. So when it has come to a simmer, then you add your onions. You guys know that feeling of when you boil beans with onions, that feeling that you get, that's what, you know, this one was trying to copycat. So when that's done, then you just give it a little stir, then add your salt. So add your salt to they become tasteful to you. Don't worry, all the ingredients are going to be listed in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Then I also added Maggi, not meat cube. Yeah, not meat cube. This is the not chicken cube, is the one that is yellow one. So I added 2 cubes of that. Then I added crayfish. Guys, I'm always so generous when I'm adding crayfish to anything, because it just gives your food that spice. So you know, that's what we're trying to achieve. Then I added some dry fish. You can do whatever you want at this point. If you want to add meat, go ahead, but fish was the cheapest thing. So there's also Kpanla inside there, so literally anything you want to add. And I added some bits of Kpomo, because as I'm taking one bite, I want to be eating the Kpomo. So guys, I had to change position so that you guys can see this video very, very well. So just turn all the ingredients together, turn them very well. I think one of the issues that I have when it comes to cooking is that I always turn food, guys. That's like a bad habit, honestly. But I added one more Maggi Crayfish, was because I tasted it and then the taste wasn't popping, so I had to add another one. So don't worry, ingredients are in the description box, so make sure to check that out. So guys, like I said, turning food is one of my bad habits, and honestly, it can, if I see someone else doing, like, I get very mad at it, but then when I see myself doing it, I cannot do anything. I can't beat myself up, guys. So I actually let this simmer for a while, yeah, but then I couldn't catch that on camera, so I just let it simmer for a while. Then I added red oil. Guys, be generous with your red oil. Me, I like red oil, so I'm always very, very generous. I added some more, but I did not catch that on camera also. So always be generous with your red oil. And when you've done this, don't turn it though. Don't turn it though. Sometimes I usually turn it though, but don't turn it. Let your oil boil, like it to become, you know, transparent, something like this. Don't boil it till when it's still thick, you get. So now that it's like this, then you can now turn it. At this point, it was sort of burning, but that's fine. That's actually fine. So just turn everything together. And like I said, I always have issues because I always turn food. I turn food too much. But guys, you know, turning food too much can also make your food burn, so please don't be like me. Then this is the spice of the day. I added vegetable, and this one I became very generous, like extra generous. I don't know why people cook porridge without adding vegetable. Maybe it's probably because they don't like it, but I honestly love vegetable, and my mom loves it too, so why not? So this is unripe plantain porridge. Let me just make that clear. So yeah, so I added my pumpkin leaf. Yeah, it's also called pumpkin leaf, very, very generously. Make sure you always wash it well and cut it well. Cut it thinly, don't cut it long, big. Please, Ejo, we're not trying to crucify somebody. So when you add that, then you stir it just so that, because the reason why I did this first was because my pot was very big. Yeah, my pot was very big, in sarcasm, yeah. So I had to stir everything in before I covered it to, you know, simmer a little bit. Then I came back to, you know, turn it again. So guys, turn it well. And then if you do not want your vegetable to, you know, get very, very soft, you can also use this method by turning it first, then before letting it simmer. But then if you want your vegetable to, you know, get soft, like to get done fully, then you can, you know, cover it. When you put the vegetable, then cover the pot, then you can now open it later, then turn it. So after turning, I just covered my pot and then let it simmer for a while. Then I now opened it and give it the last turn, as far we like to turn food, you get now. So give it the last turn, and yeah, so after turning it, I think I was done with this meal. So guys, that was it. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also like this video. Please comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.